The last video in the series and expansions and set of videos, instructions, and I've basically got an example of when I want to expand something but just looking for one term. Now there's going to be more applications of series and expansions, and you can see this from a lot of the past paper questions and some of the video explanations. This is just a simple, straightforward one that just to show you that you don't need to expand this whole thing, which was going to give you 8 terms. And that's a lot of work to do. 8 terms is too much. I'm only looking for the x cubed term. So I know that before I get to the x cubed term, there's lots of other terms. And I also know that I'm going to take the 3x and I'm going to put it to the power of 3. Now if I've got 3x to the power of 3, it means that I've got minus 2 to the power of 4. I know that because the 3 and the 4 must make 7. I've left a little space here because I need the NCR number in front, and that's going to start with 7 because I've got 7 here. And the number that comes below is 3. Now actually you could have taken either of the powers. You could also have taken the 4 and put it in there, and 7C3 or 7C4 will give me the same thing. And then there's lots of other numbers afterwards, but we're not really concerned with them because we only want the x cubed term. Now, a few pitfalls. First of all, 7C3, that shouldn't be a problem. We can do that on the calculator. 7C3 is 35. Now you've got a bracket here, which means that everything inside the bracket is the power of 3. So you've got 3 to the power of 3, which is 27 x cubed. And you've got minus 4 to the power of 2, so it's minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2, which is actually going to give you 16. So we've got 35, 27 and 16. 35 is already there, so 27 times 16 gives me a big number, 151, 20 x cubed. So this is just to show you how you can get one term in the expansion without having to go through the entire expansion, how you can home in on that one term, how you can develop it so you've got it the x to the power of 3, the other number has to be the power of 4 because this is 7, and how we get 7C3 or 7C4. But you will need to do some questions, particularly I'll give you a hint on the past papers, they can sometimes ask for independent, which means that there's no value of x, and also they might, which is the same as constant, and they might also ask you to work out this times another bracket, but you'll come across those on past papers.